Hey SBR Nation, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Roina and I am your SBR queen. SBR simply means styled by Roina. Now today I am giving you this 3-in-1, doing my hair, my makeup and my outfit. I just want to give that to you. I hope you enjoy, get into it. This is the first time I'm wearing lashes in a long minute. So okay, enjoy. So we're gonna start off doing some face prep. Of course, you make sure that our face is washed and free from all debris. Then we're going in with our moisturizer. So first I'm going in with the snail mucin, and then I'm gonna go in with that same moisturizer as well, and just ensure that my face is properly moisturized. This helps the product to stick better to your face, and it also creates like a barrier between your face and the makeup product, which you do want. All right, then I'm getting my hair out of the way. I'm brushing my brows into place. You don't really need to do this at this step, because after this I'm gonna also prime my face. I'm gonna use the elf primer, and it's the power grip one. So with this primer, you want to allow it to sit on your face for some time, so you will realize that I put the primer on and then I go to do my hair or my edges, right? That's just allowing the primer enough time to set and become sticky, so that it grips the foundation and whatever I was going to put on my face. Now I'm using the Ebin Edge Tamer, the 24-hour hold. I will not lie to you, this is a product that was introduced to me by my sister, and I tell you no lie, this is an amazing edge tamer. The only critique I have about it is that sometimes if you don't ensure that the product is evenly spread, it can leave a white casting around your edges. That's the only critique I have for it. Outside of that, honestly, the hold on your hair, ridiculous. If you guys have never tried it yet, I would say go try it. It is, yeah, it definitely changed the game. The only thing is, as I mentioned, if you don't spread the product evenly out, it leaves a white casting, which I don't like. But outside of that, man, if Ebin could have gotten that formula right, like if they said, listen, let's do some R&D and make sure that regardless of whether the product is evenly spread or not, we're gonna make sure that it doesn't have a white casting. I'm telling you, they will be leading mate. But yeah, look at that, look at how it holds. Oh my days, when I tell you, mate, crazy, change the game. And I'm telling you, they're playing, man. They just, if someone from Ebin is watching this, get that formula right where it is no white casting. But can't hold you, the hold, incredible. So yeah, so I just did my edges, doing that. I'm just like letting down I'm styling my hair how I would want it to be now. So yep. So I'm going back in with the brush just to make sure that, you know, I've spread the product out evenly, because as I said, I don't want it to have a white casting. Now once that is done, I am going in with some scalp spray. This is for when you have braids in. It's an olive oil spray, and I just like making sure that my hair is moisturized and stuff. Now once this is done, that's the hair completed. I push it to the back because I am now gonna start on my face. All right, now for the face, brushing up the my brows, I am going to do something that I've been incorporating. Initially, when I just started doing makeup, I used to do this a lot, but then I had stopped. So I am putting on powder Just putting on some, well, this is not translucent powder. This is just like face powder. I think this is more like a setting powder because I'm using the banana powder here. And this, I put it also on my brows, and this allows like excess oil and whatever else, like, you know, in the especially those areas that I've heard about, you know, the excess sweating and oil coming through. I put that there. You know, in your brows, sometimes after you do your brows tend to get oily as well. So I put that on my brows, and then I start filling in and outline and stuff. And I also used to see that when I put my foundation on after this, like, it always helps the foundation to look even more flawless. So that's why I did that step, guys. Now I'm gonna go in with a concealer and just clean up those edges under my brows. You guys know I love clean brows, so that's what I'm doing here. The shade I'm using there is Fawn, by the way. And I'm here talking to my partner. We were going out later that evening, which is why I was doing this get ready with me. He was just showing me his outfit and stuff like that. So yeah. But I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn for this. And I'm just also concealing all the dark marks. And even under my eyes as well. And I'm spraying a bit of setting spray on the brush before I then kind of blend out that concealer just a little bit under my eyes and over my face. And then going in with some translucent powder before I go in with the foundation. As you can see with the foundation, I'm pressing it into my skin. Not swiping it, but pressing it. It gives more coverage then, and it also does not move or mess with the products that are underneath that foundation. Remember, we have a number of products on. We had the moisturizers, we had the primer, we had some powder, concealer, and then this foundation on it, right? So when we're pressing it into your skin, it's allowing the product to go on top of rather than trying to shift all those products with it. It would be streaky and stuff, so you don't want that. Yeah, I always go in with a powder contour. I'm going to start using a liquid contour first and then go in with the powder. But if you've been here, been watching me, you will realize that I have been doing mostly a powder contour. And yeah, so that's what you see me here with. You will also see that I've put in a not put in, but I've also what's this called, like, this is a step here is setting it, so it's not exactly baking, but more so setting. You can see I brushed the product away straight away, so that's what happens. I'm also going in making sure that my nose contour is done as well. And what I do, I take the same contour shade and bring it up over my eyelids, especially when I'm not doing like eyeshadow look. You see that it's very minimal. So just to keep a kind of a uniformity within my face, I use the same like shades to do multiple things, so it looks nice. So this shade, you see that I use it for the contour on the side of my cheeks, as well as my nose contour and my eyeshadow bit just above my eyes. And you want to blend that out. You can see the nose contour coming through, very subtle but just nice. It doesn't look overbearing but more so natural. And then I'm going in with a blush color, and I'm bringing that up towards my temples. Because I'm giving a mixture of dull plus lifted look, which is why I brought it up so high. And then just going back again, making sure that I have clean under eyes. And I'm going to go in with, of course, the lashes. Do you guys also enjoy watching the makeup process? Because I really do that. Like sometimes I will sit and just watch someone go off and I'm like, wow. I love watching the makeup process. Let me know if you guys enjoy doing that as well. You want to make sure that your eyelids are, not eyelids, your eyelashes are also done, in terms of you want to make sure that you have on some mascara on it. I keep checking my edges because I know that it can get white if that product isn't evenly distributed, so that's why I keep doing that. I'll put this on for, I'll attempt to put this on first and I'll take it off because it wasn't sticking enough. So then I'll go back in with the glue. Also, I'll do an updated eyelash video, how to apply eyelash video, because I learned a new step now, how to do it, and I think it's just so much more easier. So I'll do that and then I'll upload that video another time. Going in with my signature look, an ombre lip, matte lip, and of course I'm going in with the plum lip liner, and then I'm putting the red in the middle, give you that nice ombre. I am indeed going in with darker or black color on my waterline. And then I'm putting on the lashes. Everything else is pretty straightforward, guys, so you will be able to see exactly what I did. You can just sit and watch. And thank you for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, do press the subscribe button. And welcome to the family. Follow my MUA page on Instagram at Makeup by Ro, where you can see more of the stuff that I do. All right, take care now. Bye. So this is the final look. So I'm wearing this little jacket. It's a fall leather. The full outfit is fall leather except the inner bit. But this trousers as well, fall leather trousers. This little jacket, fall leather as well. and I'm just wearing a black thing. It's all black because I feel like the face is given, and when the face is given, like, yes. And then my bag is this little bag here. Yeah, I think this is so cute. I will put some earrings on when I'm in the car. I don't know which ones yet, so that's why I haven't shown you guys. Yep, but yeah, this is the outfit. And I also don't know what shoes I'm gonna put on yet. I don't know, but yeah, it is a cold day in the UK, and yeah,